Jasper.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah, Cam.
My eyes are hurting.
Huh?
My eyes hurt.
Why?
I don't know. I'm just...
Apricot kolachi cookies.
Oh, apricot kolachi cookies.
Yeah.
What? How many flour?
2.25 cups
Okay, and then
of flour. That's
what is this? Why we need to cook this?
That's the filling. We need to cook it because
How many
we need
minutes?
to break it down.
How many minutes?
Time for you to go take the juice.
Loves.
You want to go home? Yeah. I just need to break it down, babe. I don't know.
Okay, and then this one is 2 butter and the other one is cream.
Or cream cheese.
Cream cheese. This one. Only one.
Yeah.
Okay. 2 butter. Okay. Do we need to boil that?
Yeah, we need to put a cup of sugar in it.
Okay.
I'll see you guys later.
Alright, later.
Thanks for dinner.
Yeah. Hey, see ya.
Thanks a lot for everything.
Alright.
You put what? Salt?
Yeah,
Only salt?
Bye, girls.
Salt and flour, babe.
Salt and flour. How many teaspoons of salt, loves?
Just a half a teaspoon of salt.
Okay. How many teaspoons?
1 cup.
I want of sugar.
Yeah.
Stir it.
Yeah, we're just trying to soften these up a lot. That's all
That
I'm
is
trying
fruits,
to do.
right?
Yeah, those are apricots. Together and creamy. I think I want the consistency to be
What?
fluffy, creamy together. I think is the way I want it. Make it light and fluffy. Almost like a whipped cream. Before I start adding, let me stir this. We just want to break down the apricots, right? And get all their... We're going to blend that together eventually. But let me say that now as it Alright,
Okay,
So-
we put in the plastic.
we need to wrap it up so that it doesn't dry out, and then what we'll do is once it hardens after 2 hours, we'll roll it out into small sheets and then cut them into 1.5-inch squares.
Okay, so after 2 hours, we will back.
Yeah. We're going to keep breaking down the filling.
This one is still, we need
We're
to,
breaking down the filling. We're going to blend it here shortly.
this one,
Get it, yeah.
we will go to blend it.
Let me see. Okay.
Put it down and then we blend it.
Yeah. See it?
Directly, even it's hot,
Yeah.
it's not gonna be destroyed then.
Well, no. We hope not.
Oh,
We just gotta pulse it, not blend it. Because we don't have a
It's already there. Just press the on. Ah, I see. It's only press. That's it.
Let me. That's it.
Let me see. Let me see the look like. Looks like mango block.
We want it to be baby food consistency, right? We don't want it to have a lot of...
Perfect.
Hmm?
That's what we want.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to try powdered sugar instead of granulated sugar. Give me some flour.
After 2 hours, so we're back. Oh,
After 2 hours,
after 2 hours,
we're back.
So this is the 2 hours from the refrigerator.
Let's put a little sugar and flour down
Sugar
so it doesn't stick, and we can...
So we're already preheat for 350,
375.
375
Yeah.
degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit.
Yeah. Now we're going to roll this out and hope for the best. We only need it to be about a quarter to a half. What was that shit?
Jasper, where are you going? Hmm? You're always like that, Mommy. You're always calling me and saying nothing.
Oh, yeah?
Jasper, just stay here. Stay beside Mama and Daddy. Here. Who? What's that for? $16? Jasper! I'm so tired for you, Mommy. You're always calling me. That's my boy. Good boy. Just stay here, okay? I don't want you to go far from Mommy. Just stay here. Alright. And then
Okay.
we will find out.
Yeah, we're going to see if this is going to work, babe. Because
This is the first.
I've never done this before, so... I'm just going to put a little center over here.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. This is spread there. Wow! Yeah, I can imagine now. Wow! And then we will put in the oven for how
Yeah.
many minutes, loves?
Get
We need to put
so don't destroy the pan. Because I would rather, because it's gonna leak when you start baking it. Come on, dude. Yeah,
see.
like-
There you go.
That's it.
Okay.
And
Now,
Put 'em in.
then, for how many minutes, loves?
I think, well, 12 to 14.
Okay.
12 to 14 minutes.
Finished product.
Mm.
Look, even it's hot. Taste it. Ooh,
The cookies were they nice?
yummy.
Um,
It's just like the what do you call it? But the Jollibee, the one you.
oh, peach mango pie.
Yeah, tastes like mango peach.
Peach mango pie.
Peach mango pie in Jollibee. It's so yummy. What is that? So sugar, right?
Powdered sugar, yeah.
That is too much sugar, loves.
That's just a little bit, babe.
This is the finished product. Look, the finished product. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Ready to take it over to Papa?
What? Come on, my baby. Come on, my baby. Come on, my baby. You like your jacket? You like your jacket? You like your jacket? The other one, my baby. Yeah, you like it? Show
It's
to
a
the
sweater.
It's a sweater and a jacket. Okay, show to the people that you like it. Hey, people, peeps. I like it. Why we don't buy shorts for him, loves?
Covers his ticket.
Bastos.